Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a photo on Microsoft Word. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do to subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to remove the background of a photo on Microsoft Word. So one of the methods works perfectly with a picture that has a solid background like this, but does not work with a picture that has a complex background like this. Why the other does well with both backgrounds? So first of all, I'm going to change the color of my page so you'll be able to see the background of this photo right here. So I'm going to go over to design and then I'm going to click on page color. So I'll leave this right here in orange, so that's okay. So now going back to removing background, so I'm going to start with this one right here with a solid background. So I'm going to click on it. So immediately I clicked on it, you observe that a new ribbon appeared at the top right here. So when you click on the ribbon, so right here you find different tools that you can use to format this picture right here. So among these tools, what I'm looking for is the color button. So here is the color button right here. So when I click on the color button, you get a list of options. So what you're looking for there is the set transparent color button. So when you hit on the set transparent color button, you observe that your mouse changes. It now looks like a pen. So what you're going to do with that, you are going to hover it to the picture with the solid background, and then you are going to click on the background. So immediately you click on the background, you observe that it gets rid of the entire background of the photo automatically. So if I'm to use the same method on this other picture right here, so I'm going to select this now, and then I'm going to go over to the picture format ribbon, and then I'm going to click on color. So when I click on the set transparent color, and then I click on the background right here, you see it only got rid of the colors around there and some of them at the bottom right here. This is because this background comprises different colors. So to be able to get rid of the background completely, I'll need to, repeat the same process, and that will take a lot of time. So to save me time, I'm going to Ctrl Z on this right now. So to remove the background of this photo, I'm going to go over to my picture format. And then on the left end of the screen, you have a button right there that is labeled remove background. So when you click on it, a new ribbon appears, and when you look back at the picture, you observe that you have this magenta color around it. So what basically happened here, Microsoft Word tried to separate the subject from the background. This is the best it could do, and that's okay. So these parts of the picture that have this magenta color are the parts that are going to be removed from the picture, while these other parts that are still normal are the parts that are going to remain. So some parts of the background, as you can see, don't have the magenta color. That means they are going to remain. So I don't want that. I only need the subject. So to get rid of it, I'm going to go over to the ribbon, and then I'm going to click on this mark areas to remove. And then I'm going to come down to the picture, and then I'm basically going to draw a line on the parts that Microsoft Word was unable to remove. So I'll do that right now. And there you see, it's gone. So I still have some of them right there. So I'm just going to take my time to remove them. So when you have the whole background selected, you can go over to the ribbon, and then you're going to click on the keep changes button. So when you do that, you see that the background is completely removed. So now that you have gotten rid of the background, to export this picture, you can simply right click on it, and then you're going to get an option that says save as picture. So when you click on the save as picture button right there, you get this Windows Save As dialog. So you're going to choose your location where you want to save the picture. I'm going to choose my desktop right there, and I'm going to give it a name. So down here, you can choose the file format. So right now, by default, it's on PNG. You can choose any other format you want right here. And then I'm going to click on save. So after clicking on save, you're going to go over to the destination where you saved your file. In this case, I have it on my desktop. So right there, I have my picture. So let me click on this to open. So there it is right there. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how to remove the background of a picture on Microsoft Word. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.